4 o'clock. Huh? 3 weeks. What batch you did? What batch you did? Trigonometry, how many sums you done? 12 sums. When did you all come? Test. From any practice done? No. 1 hour like now I tell you, I have decided to keep you all back over here. What else to do? Your exam today needs to know. You too know. You were there on Monday?
Yes.
Practice anything done? Yours is what? X. So you will get everything. Every subject is out of 80. All will be about 75, no? Because you study now this much, no? This is not the everyday exam, no? What is the everyday exam? Weekly 2 exams, no? 3. 3 weeks are over. Which school in board exam you will not get this much time. I don't know how your school is giving this much time. And that will remain holidays, all the days holidays. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And that will visit the full syllabus also not there. Board exams also you will never get this many holidays. It will hardly be people are like. What do you like? What happened then?
Nothing, sir.
What do you like? What is the school? Then had it been if people were in ICSE, what did you do? What do you know ICSE? You know ICSE how many chapters? ICSE 10th standard 27 chapters. That's fine. What time is the class? Huh? No. And they have daily exams. And you people, what do you do? Exams are there. Weekly 2 exams are there. We take holidays. Great. Sit down and no homework, no practice, nothing. What did you practice? You? Nothing. Why? Sleeping, no. What happened? Power? Which subject you did? Science. So throughout the day, 3 days you science continuously learn. Don't tell me the stories, my dear. Minimum, look here. Don't come to me with these old stories. Minimum half an hour of maths daily. You have time. Don't tell me. If you don't know, I will get the time. And the mommy will speak. Yeah. Now, otherwise, next class onwards, power. Don't make all these scene over here. Next class onwards, we will make you to stay over here. Yeah. Last class we started with circles. How much of circle is done? Huh? First exercise is done. Acha, theorem is done. Hai. Yeah. Theorem is done now. Okay. You stand up. Come here. Prove the theorem. Equal should I draw? Triangle draw. Tell yes or no. Are you? Time started on within 1 minute, everything complete. Oh, you slap you with and throw you. What is it? This is what Punjabi language. What is thanks and this. And then write neatly so that at least properly so that at least somebody should read. Okay, X, Y. Okay. So tell me what is the theorem? R is the theorem. Nothing passing. Pass quickly. Already
chord
done.
is perpendicular to the tangent.
What is perpendicular to?
Sorry, radius. Radius of the circle is perpendicular.
That is the way circle is perpendicular to.
To the tangent or where the point is meeting at what is it?
Very nice. Tangent, you wanted to tell, then you are reading for him. The remaining part you will do. Again, point is it. Tangent at any point is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. What happened? Auto I know from where, from 3:15 auto was the then what time we are supposed to come? 5:20, stand over here, go to this side now. 5:20, 5:35 you are coming. And why this much time late? Hurry, continue. Where were you on Monday?
Sir, on Monday I had a program.
Skip on yours also is going on every. How many after attendance is coming off the times and not results are not coming regular? Oh, this one. Okay. Any practice is going on?
Yes, sir.
What practice you did?
Sir, 10% of coordinator meeting.
So total how many comes are done?
20.
So when did you come to the class? Last Wednesday. Right. So Friday to Wednesday means 7 days now. 70 some people are done now. Come in. Come on time now. Yeah. What you writing? What tell me? Given.
One P is the radius, X Y is the tangent, and P is the
Yeah, point.
tangent.
Tangent, tangent. Yeah, very nice. Over.
No, sir.
Then,
To prove OP is perpendicular to X.
given is O is the center,
O is the center.
XY is the tangent at the point, XY is the tangent at the point P, and OP is the radius. So everything I will tell to prove.
To prove OP is perpendicular to X.
Okay. Keep that pen, close it and keep it. Sometimes you like, okay, now. Like prove. So first. Oh,
OP is perpendicular.
copy is perpendicular. Prove. Copy is perpendicular.
OP is the
Copy is the. So how many times you have,
let Q be the point on XY.
so how many times you have to write? 25 times. Do you study all subjects now? As you know everything, no? So that's 50 times. Mommy called. Come here. Mommy, come. याद नहीं है ना? So right, I don't know. I will write now. Mommy's number I don't know. Please get the number. Again, right? I'll write. Get the mommy's number. I will say याद नहीं. Drama is going on. What do you study at home? Action is not required, okay? Let's see, I will tell you when to go home. Okay? Did you hear? All okay, na? All okay. So who will be the proof? Myra. Then why the proof was explained that is so no, we will not tell. You are also there, no? No. Monday you are not there. Then who was there? Monday you were there? No, no, sir. Yes. Srimiti, you were there. You remember the proof? Myself.
Take Q on XY such other take a point Q other than P on XY.
Take a point Q
Other than P
on the tangent XY other than the point P. Okay. Join?
Join OQ.
Okay.
Point Q is on the exterior of the circle.
Q is on the exterior of the circle. Reason.
If it was inside of the circle, it would become a secant, not a
Okay.
tangent.
If Q is inside the circle, then the XY will be a secant. Or if Q is on the circle, then also XY will be a tangent. Okay.
Therefore, Q is in the exterior.
So the Q is exterior. Okay.
OQ, this will happen. Therefore, OQ is more than OP.
Since if a point is exterior to the circle, its distance from the center is more than the radius. Therefore, OQ is more than the radius. That is, OQ is greater than OP because OP is the radius. Then, similarly, if you consider any point on the XY,
it will be
always in the exterior of the circle.
and the distance will be more than the radius.
Therefore, its distance will be more than radius. Therefore, OP is the shorter distance. So the shorter distance is the perpendicular distance. Therefore, OP perpendicular to XY. Did you hear, Pawar? Then this also, when you are that time, what is what going on? Now what happening? I was thinking, now did you hear what she is saying? Okay, so that means not listening. In the exam, what did you do? Answers less, okay? What drama is doing? See, next chapter, this chapter is done in school. Which chapter is going in the school? So you know trigonometry, no? Sure. And ask. What is x square theta equal to?
X square theta equals 1 minus tan square.
That is
1
wrong.
plus tan square theta.
What is cot square theta?
Cot square theta equals cosec square theta minus 1.
What? What is the reciprocal relations?
Cot theta equals 1 upon tan.
What is cot 60?
Cot 60. 1 by root 3.
1 by root 3. Very good. So this is not learn. So school teacher will shout at you. So you learn. Huh? Yes or no? Then when did you learn?
1 week ago.
1 week ago. Now when are you going to do the circle?
Set exam. So after the exam.
When is the exam?
19 September.
Actually 19th September. How many chapters?
6.
6 chapters. Studying now. That also you are not preparing. I have not seen any chapter homework at least you could have done and go. So, yeah. Stop drama now. Sit down. Yeah. This is the one we have done and we have done the exercise. Prisha, you remember anything? Practice is going on now. Huh? What is secant? You are there in the class. So read that one. Okay. You know what is tangent? Line which intersect the circle in 2 points is called secant. Okay. Yeah. So this exercise, how much of exercise we have done?
1 and 2.
1 and 2 is done. Okay. So Smith, take the book here. Pen and all second. Question number 3. Read the questions. Naman.
Tangent equivalent point given center of radius per centimeter makes a line to the center O at a point Q so that OQ is equal to 1 centimeter when PQ is.
So these are MCQ. So whenever the question is coming, you have to draw the figure. Draw a rough figure and show me. Rough figure is enough quickly. No need to take compass and all. Draw a rough figure and mark. Let me see how many. What happened, Myra? Do it. Read and draw the figure. Who is this holding? Where is he holding? Where is he holding? Now, what about you? I will start doing that. Look, draw in your notebook. Good from. A tangent PQ at which point? At the point P. Distance of Q from the center is given as how much? 12 centimeter. Length of this tangent at a distance P is at a distance. What do you have to find out? Radius is given. Radius is how much? 5 centimeter. So you have to find out this way. This is your figure. The figure this one. Now you have to find out the length of PQ. How do you find out length of PQ? Pythagoras theorem to apply. Is this triangle is right triangle? How do you know? Is it given? Is it given? Huh? What? What is the theorem? This theorem is done in the school? Huh. So this one, it is not given this one as a perpendicular. So it is MCQ means you don't need to write. If it is a question comes means first you write PQ is the tangent at P and OP is the radius. Therefore OP perpendicular to PQ. Recent tangent perpendicular to the radius. Then apply Pythagoras theorem. OP square plus PQ square is equal to OQ square. Stand outside. That is 5 square plus PQ square is equal to 12 square. PQ square is equal to 144 minus 25. 119. PQ is equal to root of 119 at which centimeter. Option is there.
Yes.
Please be careful when doing the sums. Completed. Now, next question, all of you read and do it. What else? We just, huh?
There is something important. Make some other movie.
So, completed. Next question. Did you read it? Did you do? Naila, read the question.
So a circle and two lines parallel to a given line, so that one is the tangent and other.
Okay, draw the figure. What's drawn? Scale pencil we don't have, na? Scale and all I will. Center. Draw a circle and you have to give two lines parallel to the given line. So there is a circle is there, a line is there. Suppose if I draw the line, this much is given. You have to draw two lines. One is a tangent, which is parallel to this line, and other one is a secant. These are the two lines you have to draw. It is not that it's first is one line is there. This line can be anywhere. Can be inside, outside. And if the question comes, you draw with the pencil and the scale at least. PQ is the tangent and AB is the secant. Both are parallel to the given line L. Is carrying. What is the shape? Huh? A. Pen. Completed all of you. Baba. Completed. Or read the next question. Baba, read the next question. Achha. Did you all write this one? Shh. Circle. What are the given conditions? Circle with center row and elliptical line. There are two parallel. PQ is the tangent and AB is the secant. Both are parallel to the line. Are you control here? Okay. Then read it
A point P is
loudly.
A point P is located on a circle of radius 10 centimeter. How many tangents
Singing
can
your
be
what?
drawn to fit a circle at a point P?
So what power give the answer? Where is point B?
On circle.
On the circle. Okay. So what is the circle's radius?
10
10 centimeter. How many tangents can be drawn at P? One. All others are telling, you are not telling. Tell one. One tangent. Understood or not? At the point P, how many tangents can be drawn? One. Understood all of you? Answer is one. There is nothing to do with this one. Hey, hello madam, what is it? Question number. Oh, no need to draw the figure. They asked you to how many tangents means only one tangent. Okay. Done all of you. Next. Done. This much is clear. Over. That is only the exercise to do it. Now, Mr. Completed. Okay. Next. Risha. Read number of tangents.
Number of tangents from a point on a circle.
Number of tangents from a point to the circle. Okay.
Case 1. There is no tangent to a circle passing.
Array, please listen. What is going on here? Today, what is happening? I have to give to slap and throw you out from here, okay? You're irritating me. Did you hear what she read? Read loudly.
Case 1. There is no tangent to a circle passing through a point line inside the circle.
There is no. So when a point is inside the circle, how many tangents can be drawn? There is no tangent, zero tangent. Second, case 2.
Case 2. There is one and only one tangent to a circle passing through a point line on the circle.
So if the point is on the circle, how many tangents can be drawn?
One.
One and only one tangent.
Case 3. There are exactly two tangents to a circle passing through a point line outside the
Stand up there. You move to the side. Put him over there. He's ready to move. There, here, come in. Here. Oh, okay. Don't trouble them, okay? Okay, good. Now, so there are from the external point, how many tangents can be drawn? Two tangents. So listen carefully. Circle, divide the plane into three center points. Which are three center points? Interior to the circle. Through the any point in the interior, how many tangents can be drawn? The zero. Number of tangents is zero. If you take a point, no tangent. If you take a point on the circle, how many tangents can be drawn? One tangent. If you take a point exterior to the circle, two from here, one tangent this way, and the other tangent this way. These are the two tangents can be drawn. Are you followed? So, from an external point, how many tangents? Two tangents. From a point on the circle, one tangent. This much is clear. Okay. Now listen. Next is we are going to talk about length of the tangent from an external point. All of you can close the volume and listen. Length of the tangent from an external point. Carefully listen. The next theorem we are going to explain. If you consider the point P, that is an exterior point, what is the meaning of the length of the tangent means? From here, you draw a tangent to the circle. It will meet the circle at a point, let's say A. Then PA is called the length of the tangent from the exterior point B. I repeat, if a point is P is given exterior to the circle, to obtain the length of the tangent, what is to be done? From P, draw a tangent to the circle. Where it is touching, that line segment PA is called the length of the tangent. So what is the length of the tangent? It is a line segment whose one endpoint is the given exterior point. What is the other endpoint? The point of contact. Are you followed? Now, next is, suppose if I take the point Q, what is the length of the tangent from Q? QA. Are you following? No response. What is the length of the tangent from Q? QA. If I take the point R, what is the length of the tangent from R? RA. Is it QR is the length of the tangent? Why I can't see this man? You're hiding behind the girls. Stand up, I can't see. Or sit, stand on the bench. You will do that all. Okay. Stand on the desk. Okay.
Okay.
Don't hit these girls, okay? Okay. Chalo. So, permanent.
Relax, keep your
You happy to do these things?
say that.
Okay. Stand down only. Okay. Is it QR is the length of the tangent? Is it QR is the length of the tangent? No. What is the length of the tangent means? From Q, it is QA. From R, it is RA. From P, PA. If I take S, what is the length of the tangent? It is not SA. Through one point, how many tangents can be drawn? Only one. From S, you draw another tangent. Like suppose if I draw this way. Here it is meeting. Let's say SP is the length of the tangent. Are you followed, all of you? Okay, clear. So length of the tangent property is clear. Now, if you look at the point P, from P, how many tangents can be drawn? From P, how many tangents can be drawn? Then talk loudly now, 2 tangents. So here, from P, what is the length of the tangent? PA as well as PB. The second theorem is that is they are equal in length. Tangents drawn from the external point are equal in length. What does the theorem says? Tangents drawn from the external point are equal in length. Pawar, tell me what is the theorem? Speak. Did you hear? I'll ask some girls to help you. Which girl? Any girl? He's not like you. Okay. Yeah. Tell. Did you hear? No. Tangents drawn from the external point are equal in length. Did you hear? Other tell. Equal in length. Sit down. Okay. Did you hear? So, what is the external point? P. So, what do you have to prove? PA is equal to PB. This is your second theorem. What was the first theorem?
Perpendicular.
Tangent at very good. Tangent at any point is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Practice also, okay. Now, so what is the? Do you know what is given in this question theorem? Circle with the center of PA and PB are the 2 tangents drawn from the external point P. What do you have to prove? PA is equal to PB. Are we followed? Who can prove? So for proving this one, I will draw the construction. Join OA, join OB, join OP. Okay, what is the construction? Join OA, OB, OB and OP. Who can prove these 2 triangles are congruent? If you prove the congruent means the work is done. Okay. Oh yes. Tell.
So AO is equal to OP, radius are equal, and PO is equal to PO common, angle,
And over. Oh. Over.
and AOP is equal to angle.
How?
Sorry,
So-
OAP is equal to angle, P,
How?
BP, 90 degrees.
So first is it given 90 degree? Not given now. So first is coming as what he had to tell, how to write the proof. By so these congruences by which test? RHS. Very good. So sit down. Move to this side and sit. Okay. All right. You're okay now? It's not troubling now? Move it this side.
Yes, sir.
Now, the theorem proof how to write is PA is the tangent at A and OA is the radius. Therefore, PA perpendicular to OA. Reason tangent perpendicular to the radius. Similarly, PB perpendicular to what? OB. Now you'll write in triangle PAO and triangle PBO. Which are triangles? PAO and PBO. Angle PAO is equal to angle PBO 90 degree each. Array, listen here. OP is equal to OP, common. OA is equal to OB, radii. Therefore, triangle PAO congruent to triangle PBO by RHS test. Therefore, PA is equal to PB, CPCT. Proof is clear? All of you, followed? Sure. Every last class also? Yes, sir, easy. When this time when I want to go, all this. Finally, Srinidhi only gives the answer. Okay. Yeah. Followed all of you. Proof followed. Two proofs are there. These are the only two proof theorems in this one. Okay. Remember, what is he doing here? Oh, Shivam, you keep all these things aside as if you are carrying a lot of things. Searching things. This one. Okay. So is it clear? This much is clear. So what is the theorem says, Myra? Tangent.
Tangents drawn from an external point.
Tangents drawn from an external point are equal with length. Okay, Tamil also following. Sure, good. Okay. So this much is clear. Open your notebook. Open your friend. Write down. Right. If two tangents are drawn from an external point to the circle, if two tangents are drawn from an external point to the circle, drawn from an external point to the circle, then there are three conditions I am going to tell. One, they are equal in length. One is what? They are equal in length. Written. Two, they subtend. Is subtend spelling, you know, SUBTEND. Equal angles at the center. They subtend equal angles at the center. They subtend equal angles at the center. Written all of you? Third, they are equally inclined. They are equally inclined to the line joining. The center and the point of contact. Line joining the center and the external point. Point of contact name. Line joining the center and the external point. Written all of you? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right, written all of you? What is it? Followed. Read, all of you read. Try to understand. Let me, I'm going to ask.
Sir, what is the meaning of the second one?
That is. Who followed? Tell me what is given.
Then
Length is given. What is given? Who will tell what is? Raise the hand. Those who followed what is given. I have drawn the figure over here. Loudly. P and that is given.
sir, OD and PP are its terminals.
P and PAN, very good. PA and PB are two tangents drawn from the external point to the circle. Then, what is the first condition? That is the first thing you have to prove they are equal in length. Second condition who will tell? When?
Sir, they are equally supported.
So what? Answer, that is
Sir, AO is the
AO.
AOP.
Angle AOP is equal to angle BOP at the center. Are you followed? Third one. Tell from the figure you tell. Here it tell, not equally inclined. Tell from the figure what is it? What you have to prove? Equally inclined means equal angle. Which one? Huh? PA. PAO. Angle APO is oh, very good. Angle APO is equal to angle BPO. Today, one correct answer, sir. Thank you. Okay. So, who do what? When you sit behind the girls, then every day sit behind the girls. So, brain start works. Okay. So, okay. Angle APO is equal to angle BPO. Followed. So, when two tangents are drawn from the external point, the first condition is PA is equal to PB. We proved already. Trisha, what happened? No problem now. He's troubling. You're so sad. All okay now? Then angle POA is equal to angle POB. The substantive. Third one, angle APO is equal to angle BPO. Can you prove all these three? How? First you prove these two triangles are congruent. All the three are CPCT. Yes or no? Why I given this one means sometimes this way question will come in the exam. So you have to draw the figure and prove it. Is it okay now? Everyone? All of you?
Yes, sir.
No problem? If you have a problem, raise the hand. No. Circle part it is getting over. That is on this only. Now you have to the theory part in this much only. We are going to do the sums now. Look here. I have extended the tangents. Okay. I extended the tangent. No.
Tangent goes to infinity.
Tangent goes to infinity. So what is tangent? What is a tangent? Line segment or line? Tangent is a line. Length of the tangent. So what happened to infinity you believe? Where your infinity has come from you?
The both sides going.
So what let it go now? What's the problem?
You can extend it this.
And what is every line goes to infinity now? You don't run behind the infinity, okay? Are okay, happy now? He's studying it's going to infinity. Now look, over here, have you seen the figure? Now, do you know what the figure I have drawn over here? What is it? Triangle, not anything else. The circle inside the triangle, no. The circle is called, huh? Louder. It is called in circle. Circle inscribed in it is called the in circle. Circle which touches all the sides. Can you tell which are the equal things over here? Those who not tell me. Which are the equal things? CBO. Array tangents, huh? Array radius you are telling OA, OBO, see.
Sir, RB is equal to.
First one. Also RB is equal to from the external point R, RB is equal to RC. Okay. So RB from the external point. From the external point, from the external point? From the external point R, RB is equal to RC. From the external point Q, QA is equal to QC. From the external point B, PA is equal to PB. Are we followed? Is it PQ and PR are equal? No, PQ and PR are not equal. Remember. Okay. Are we followed? Hero. Sure. Listening. Sir Smith. We want one answer, not listening now. Oh, listening. Okay, good. This much only the properties of the tangents in this one. Remaining things we will discuss. Mainly questions are there. There are around 25 to 30 questions are there. 24 questions are there. So we are going to discuss these questions now. Okay. Take out the volume. Open the volume. All of you opened? Yes. Okay. First question. Who? Going to read? Okay. Mr. Read. Louder.
From a point Q.
From a read properly. You do not need to read. Read from something. No. Okay, read. From a point Q. Read.
From a point Q,
Very good.
the length of tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter and the distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeter. The radius of the circle is.
Did you draw the figure? Shh. All of you draw the figure. She's looking into it. No homework for you. Okay. Figure. Draw figure. Draw. Figure drawn. What? Who was drawn? Tell past. Yeah. Look, where is this man? Orbit. What is he doing? From the point Q is the center. Read loudly once again, Naman.
From a point Q,
From a point Q.
the length of tangent to circle is 24 centimeter.
Length of the tangent to the circle. So there from a point Q. If this is the Q, length of the tangent is equal to 24 centimeter.
And the distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeter.
Distance of Q from the center is how much? 25 centimeter.
And the radius of-
Find so radius of the circle. This is the one. If I take this one, OP is the radius. Are you followed? The circle question figure is important, then only you'll get the answer. If the figure is correct, then things are very simple. Now how to do? Your work is over, that only. Okay. So 90 degree right now. This is an MCQ now. So how do you prove the 90 degree? If you want to write, it is subjective one, you'll write PQ is the tangent at P and OP is the radius. Therefore, OP is perpendicular to PQ. Understood? Now you got 90 degree. That's it. Then Pythagoras theorem. All of you got? OP square. What is it? Suspect got the answer. Answer. Very good. What did you tell them? Oh, yes, sir. Who got 7? Girls got the 7. And Pawar got the 7. Pawar. Very good. Pachis. 625 minus 576, 49. Therefore, answer is equal to 7 centimeter. Option you seen? Yes or no? Okay. Completed all of you? Yes. He's trying what? Power. Okay now? Smart boy. No? Okay. Now, second question. Let's, Myra.
In figure, if PP and PQ are the two tangents to a circle with center O, so that angle POQ equals to 110 degree, then angle PTQ equals.
Yes, explain. All of you try to get. Those who got the answer, raise the hand.
PP and PQ.
Got the answer? I think and tell me now. It's very simple. Got it? Got it? Tell. Who? Srinidhi, exam hours are tired. Today what was the paper? Easy, no? Who got the answer? Who got the explanation I need? Anyone? None? Okay, then. How then? Tell. How did he get? I don't need the 70 or ABCD. Yeah.
And PT and PT are tangent, so they are perpendicular.
How are the be quiet, all of you? Therefore, I am very good. Angle P. Good, good. All of you clap for power. Okay. One clap is enough, not that. Okay. Angle P is 90 degree. Reason is tangent perpendicular to the radius. Angle Q also is equal to 90 degree tangent. What is angle POQ? 110 degree. This is a quadrilateral. What is sum of the angles of the quadrilateral? 360. So 90 plus 90 plus 110 plus this one. You did not tell us me. You could have said. Easy now. Then what tell? Therefore answer is 70 degree. Followed or not? Subjective also you know how to write. Okay. What is right? Angle P and Q are 90 degree because tangent perpendicular to radius. Then angle sum property. All of you followed. Those who are not followed, tell me. So Smith. Now, next is. Who? What happens? Next, listen. So now you will start putting your heads. Positing the yeah. Yeah. Okay now. Listen. Look, before going to the third one. Is it this quadrilateral is cyclic? Is this quadrilateral cyclic? What do you mean by cyclic quadrilateral? On also, huh? What is cyclic? Also it's a cyclic. On the vertices around the circle. Is it? No. But this side quadrilateral is cyclic. You know, you did not tell that. Is this quadrilateral cyclic? Yes. Why? Angle P is how much? What is angle Q? What is angle P plus angle Q? 180. When opposite angles are supplementary, the quadrilateral is cyclic. Loudly, let me hear.
We can do 180 minus 110.
What is it? Previous. Previous.
अरे अभी दूसरी
Are listen now. He when I tell something, he will tell something. Yeah, okay. So we are talking about cycling, then he is studying 180 minutes. So follow how it is coming. Okay, it is not that this one it is circle does not pass. Then you can draw other circle. Property satisfying. Now you tell what is your problem. No problem. Okay. So you want to say first you prove cycling, then you have to 180. You don't need to do. For doing this one directly, I will some property apply. Okay. You are the first one. You don't know what is cycling. No?
कौन से स्कूल में पढ़ते
Yeah. Hello. Next. Are you new? One point. Question number 3. Next one. My this one. No, she only read. No, already my run. Okay. Next.
Prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle are parallel.
Prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of the diameter are parallel. Figure. Tangents drawn at the ends of the diameter are parallel. What happened? Who is that? Susmit, what happened, Sasu? Sasu? Yama man. You did not bring any sweets today. Conjuice man. Very tasty. Eat. Hey. Yeah. Look. PQ and RS are the what is AB? Diameter. PQ and RS are the tangents draw. Use the scale and draw at least circle. Okay, rough figure. Okay, and the tangents. You what do you have to prove? Who will prove? Yes, yes. Myra prove. By the way, who read? You read now. You want to prove? Acha. Okay, Myra prove.
RS and P are tangents.
Huh?
RS and PQ are tangents.
Huh.
So the way it's perpendicular.
Hmm.
P is perpendicular.
Hmm.
Correspond.
Corresponding point. How did you get corresponding? You have to little more tell. I can draw this one. It is not enough perpendicular. If I draw this way like one tangent, there also perpendicular will get now. Then you will tell this is a transversal. Why this is a transversal? Is it a straight line? You said OA perpendicular to RS, OB perpendicular to PQ. Okay, is it this full is perpendicular? Yes. First you will write, what will you write? Since AB is the diameter, therefore both AB will be perpendicular to PQ and RS. So either coincident angles you tell, or if two lines are perpendicular to the same line, then they are. If two lines are perpendicular to the same line, then they are parallel to each other. Corresponding you can tell, point here you can tell, different ways you can tell. Understood or not? Figure is, write down. Figure scale is not there, na? Don't use, mummy said don't use the. Hey, hello, did you come for PTM? Why? Parents are gone for? Early morning, what marriage is there? Then what time they come back? 6 o'clock evening. So tell mummy I wanted to meet. She called. She called. Come, call, tell her to come. I wanted to meet. No, next lecture, before lecture. Okay. Huh? What is it telling? So right, I will explain now. That is something different. Okay. All others parents are come. Your parent only not come. Yes, all. Hello, one more. Oi, your parent has come. You. Yes. One power, shameless power. Rajdeep for parent team. Avnish with. I wanted to meet your mummy also. Did you tell mummy? Huh? Did you tell? Tell today. All right. PQ is the tangent at B. PQ is the tangent at B, and OB is the radius. Therefore, PQ is the tangent at B and OB is the radius. Therefore, OB perpendicular to PQ. Reason tangent perpendicular to radius. Tangent perpendicular to radius. Next. RS is the tangent at A and OA is the radius. RS is the tangent at A and OA is the radius. Did you write? Tangent at A. Then OA is the radius. Therefore, OA perpendicular to RS. Same reason. Written. Yes or no? Follow this much. Right. The point. Next we can write. AB is the diameter given. Therefore, PQ and RS are perpendicular to AB. AB is the diameter. Reason is given. Okay. Understood or not? Therefore, I have written one statement. A, O, B are collinear. Reason is for PQ and RS are perpendicular to AB. Are perpendicular to AB. Written. Hence, did you follow this also? Hence, PQ parallel to RS. Hence, PQ parallel to RS. Reason right. Lines perpendicular to the same line. Lines perpendicular to the same line are parallel to each other. Lines perpendicular to the same line are parallel to each other. Better all of you? Now look here. In this question we are given AB is the diameter and therefore what did you prove? RS is parallel to PQ. I need, listen, it's converse. What is the converse? PQ and RS are parallel. You need to prove AB is the diameter. All of you. Understood or not? Packing is important, no? What do you have to prove? PQ and RS are parallel to each other. Therefore, AB is the diameter. Next class, I need all of your answers. Okay. Practice sums also next class onwards. I need to see. Everyone's. Bharat, come here. Bharat has to stay back, no? Yeah. What are you getting?
Democracy.